Let me ask you something. What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, there are people running entire companies, just them, no team, no employees, and their AI assistant is handling their emails, scheduling their meetings, posting their content, monitoring their competitors, and sending them a full business briefing before they even get out of bed in the morning? That's not a future thing. That's happening right now. And the tool making it possible, OpenClaw, is the same technology that is quietly making entire job roles obsolete. Not slowly, fast. We're talking months, not years. Today, I want to break that down honestly. Real examples, real Reddit posts from real people, real companies that have already pulled the trigger, and real numbers. And also, if you're struggling to set up OpenClaw, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that after this breakdown. But first, let's figure out how it's actually going to change the job market. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about what OpenClaw is actually doing to the job market right now. And I want to get specific here because this is where it gets uncomfortable. People are using OpenClaw to replace humans, not assist humans, not make humans more efficient, actually replace them. And it's happening across the board, from big corporations down to one-person startups. Let me give you a real example of what this looks like in practice. On the official OpenClaw showcase page, there's a post from a solo founder that says, I'm reading this directly, "My AI setup as a solo founder built with OpenClaw. 4 agents, each with their own job. Main one handles strategy and big picture planning. Second handles dev and architecture. Third handles marketing and research. Fourth handles business metrics and pricing. I run this entire operation through Telegram from my phone." Think about that for a second. 4 job roles, 1 person, 0 employees, all through a phone. And on Reddit's OpenClaw, someone posted about building a customer success agent that was generating reports that, and again, I'm quoting directly, would have taken a human hours, if not days. Automated, overnight. No one sitting there doing that work anymore. On Reddit's side project, another person posted, "I built 4 OpenClaws in 4 hours. After 3 days of running, went from 20 to 100 Reddit karma, got 6 meaningful comments, 9 Twitter replies, and 100% automation success rate. No manual work. A fully automated social media presence built in an afternoon, running itself without a single human touch." On X, founders are posting their setups constantly. One person has an OpenClaw agent monitoring competitor websites, tracking pricing changes, scraping social media engagement, and sending a weekly intelligence report. What used to be a market research analyst's job, or at minimum a junior marketing hire's job, is now just running in the background automatically. There's a piece from We Are Founders, a publication specifically for startup founders, titled OpenClaw, the open source AI agent that's replacing entire teams for solo founders. And they profile a solo SaaS founder doing $13,000 a month in revenue with 0 employees. One person running what sounds like a full marketing department, SEO research agent, social media scheduling agent, competitor monitoring agent, all through OpenClaw, all automated, all while that founder sleeps. And on Medium, there's a piece called 10 Wild Bings People Actually Built with OpenClaw, and the list includes someone who automated their entire business to run while they sleep, someone running 4 social media accounts completely hands-off, a developer who connected OpenClaw to GitHub so it reviews pull requests and patches bugs overnight, and someone monitoring competitor pricing across hundreds of websites simultaneously, getting alerts when anything changes. Think about every single one of those use cases: social media management, customer success, market research, competitor analysis, code review, content creation, bug fixing. These aren't theoretical future jobs at risk. These are real roles that real people get paid to do right now. And there are people in the OpenClaw community who've already automated all of it. Now, there's a Reddit thread on r SaaS called OpenClaw and the End of Small Startup Ideas, where founders are having a genuinely uncomfortable conversation about this. One comment says bluntly, entire micro startups built around narrow problems are going to get absorbed into OpenClaw agents. These are business owners talking about other businesses becoming obsolete because one person with OpenClaw can now do what those businesses were built to provide. And a company actually publicly documented giving OpenClaw agents access to all their internal systems and running a real experiment to see how much of their own employees' jobs the AI could take over. They called it OpenClaw Ultron. Real company, real roles, real test. They wanted to find out, honestly, how replaceable their own team was. That's where we are. People aren't just talking about AI replacing jobs in the abstract anymore. They're actively running the experiments, posting the results, and the results are making a lot of people very uncomfortable. Now, let's zoom out for a second, because what OpenClaw users are doing isn't happening in isolation. It's part of a much bigger shift that the numbers are making it hard to ignore. Klarna, the payment company, replaced 700 customer service agents with an AI assistant, not reduced their hours, not made their jobs a bit easier, fully replaced them. The AI now handles what 2/3 of their support team used to do. And here's the part that really stings. Klarna's revenue went up 15% that same quarter. So from a business perspective, the decision was a complete no-brainer. Duolingo shifted 10% of their entire contractor workforce because AI was now doing the content creation work those contractors were being paid for. UPS announced plans to cut 20,000 jobs, one of the biggest workforce reductions in their 116-year history, and automation was a primary driver. Cisco, Intuit, same story across the board. And this isn't just a big company thing. According to CNBC, postings for entry-level jobs in the United States dropped 35% between January 2023 and June 2025. 35%! That's not a small blip. That's a structural shift happening across every industry. Companies are not replacing the bottom of the career ladder anymore because AI can do that work now, and it costs almost nothing compared to a salary. And Harvard Business Review published a piece with a headline that should make everyone pay attention. Companies are laying off workers because of AI's potential, not even its current performance. Businesses are making headcount decisions based on where this technology is going, not just where it is today. That's how fast expectations have shifted. And here's the number that puts all of this into perspective. OpenClaw costs somewhere between $100 to $500 a month to run, depending on usage. A single full-time employee in the U.S. costs $50,000 to $80,000 a year minimum when you factor in salary, taxes, benefits, and overhead. The math isn't subtle. The math is screaming. And when that math becomes obvious to every business owner, big company or 5-person startup, people start making decisions fast. Now look, I'm not here to tell you every job is disappearing tomorrow. That's not true, and I don't want to be another person on the internet screaming about the apocalypse. But I do think it's worth being honest about which roles are genuinely at risk right now, because the OpenClaw use cases we just talked about make it pretty clear. If your job is primarily about managing information, sorting emails, organizing data, scheduling, doing research, tracking competitors, writing basic content, monitoring social media, handling routine customer questions, those are exactly the tasks that OpenClaw agents are handling autonomously today for almost nothing. Think about the jobs that disappear first when one person with OpenClaw can do the work of a team. The junior content writer, the virtual assistant, the social media coordinator, the entry-level data analyst, the basic customer support rep. These aren't jobs that are at risk in 5 years, they're at risk now. And the really uncomfortable part, the part that Harvard Business Review piece was pointing at, is that companies are already making hiring decisions based on this technology. They're not waiting until AI is perfect. They're not hiring junior people that AI might replace in 2 years. They're just not hiring them at all anymore. That 35% drop in entry-level job postings, that's not people getting replaced after being hired. That's people not getting hired in the first place. But here's where I want to be straight with you, and I mean genuinely straight, not just don't worry, it'll be fine. The people who engage with this technology, who understand it, who get hands-on with it right now, they end up in a completely different position than the people who don't. Not because AI won't affect their work, but because they understand the tool that's doing the affecting. When someone knows how OpenClaw works, what it does well, what it breaks on, where it needs human oversight, that person becomes the one who manages these systems instead of the one being replaced by them. And right now, most people still haven't done that, which means the window to get ahead of this still is open. Alright, so now let me show you how to actually set this up, and I promise this is going to be the easiest thing you do today. Go to setupclawd.ai, I'll put the link in the description, just click it. When you land on the page, you'll see a clean dashboard. It's really straightforward. No confusing settings, no technical stuff, just sign up using your Gmail account. Takes like 10 seconds. Then you choose your AI model here, and then simply connect it to your Telegram or Discord channel. That's it. You now have your own OpenClaw assistant running 24/7. Oh, and if it asks you for payment at any point, just use my code 1000OFF setupclawd and you'll get a 100% discount on it. So there's genuinely no excuse not to try it. The link is in the description. Go set it up right now. And also let me know your thoughts about this topic in the comments section.